guys friends, my name is Santosh Chauhan. We will discuss about the HTML. Friend, today this is my first session. In this session, step by step we will understand overview of the HTML as well as overview of the Visual Studio Codes and overview of the web development. As you can understand to this topic. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we open the computer and type in search box Visual Studio Code. After click on this software, as you can understand to this topics, after this click on the software, we will click on this software. So this is the interface of the Visual Studio Code. You will be watching, you will be seeing on your interface, friends. You will be watching on your interface. This is the interface of the Visual Studio Code, friends. Already I have told you. So friends, we will understand step by step completely to overall Visual Studio Codes of function. To overall function in Visual Studio Code. We will understand to overall function of Visual Studio Code, friends. So without any further delay, let's get started. We will understand to overall function in Visual Studio Code. So this option is the used to create file, new file, and so on. It is like this works. We will use to this option and save as option. And this option is the used to create. This option is the used to undo, redo, and copy paste during the program. During the making program, this option is the used to, friends. And this option is the used to, already I have told you, this option is the used to create folder, save and save as option during the making program. This option is the used to mostly, and so on. It is like this menu is available in Visual Studio Code, and this is the advanced editor during the making program, not for the editing, friends. So this is the best software. I will recommend it for all people because according to my experience, I have used enough time. Friends, this is the run option during the execution of program. This option is the used, and terminal, this option is the used to during the making program. And during the making programs, this option is the terminal, the output of the program, that is called terminal in Visual Studio Code, in other software, as you can understand, friends, as you wish, as you like, as you can understand. So friends, we will understand other option in Visual Studio Code. So this option is the used to create folder, and this option is the used to create file. Now we will understand only theory of the web development and introduction of the Visual Studio Code. Only theory of the web development and only introduction of the Visual Studio Codes. Now we will understand. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, I will not understand any one topic apart from this. So friends, already I have told you the two options. Sorry. So friends, we will understand this option is the used to Explorer. For Explorer, for example, we can say Internet Explorer, search browsing. It is the used mostly. This option is the used to search anyone relate to Visual Studio Code software. This option is the used to installing software. For example, we can say live server, Django file.html. We will install enough extension of the enough software. So this option is the used enoughly in Visual Studio Codes during the making program. Friends, so first of all, already I have told you of Visual Studio Code. Now we will understand some overview of the web development. So what is the web development? There are the 4 technology comes to for making web development. HTML. What is HTML? HTML is the used to mostly create website. It is the language of the web. We use tags, HTML, looks and feel of a website. HTML tags we use looks and feel of a website. With understanding of this tag, how to put them together, it is used to create website easily. Friends, now we will understand CSS technology. What is the CSS technology? CSS technology is used to create beautiful website design. Mostly, it is the and it is its full form. It is the used to, already I have told you, create beautiful website designs of CSS technology, and its full form cascading style set. JavaScript JavaScript was like a brain in simple language. It is the used to create logic in websites. Mostly it is the used. It is used to create logic in website mostly of JavaScript. Java in simple language. I tell you, friends, overview of the web development. So I am taking an example of human body. This in human body bones is HTML and CSS is the muscles and JavaScript is the brain. Yeah, JavaScript is a logic in brain. So this is the overview of the web development. Apart from this, one technology comes to for making website, and this is the advanced programming for making website. It is the used and its name is PHP. PHP is the web server language. It is the used to web development for social networking, for making social networking website. For example, Facebook is the complete make PHP language, and co-founder of this company already know very well as far as I reckon, Mark Zuckerberg. So this is the overview of the web development, and this is the overview of the Visual Studio Codes. And introduction of the Visual Studio Codes. So friends, now we will understand of coding in next session, because we will understand in this session. This video is very broad. Will be very broad. This video will be very broad. Hence, I could not recommend that I will understand in this session to other topic. So that's all about me. Thank you. So I will see you next time, friends.